All right, good morning, afternoon, evening, whenever you are listening to this video. This is my first class presentation, and this is on a TED Talk. Specifically, the title is On-Demand Learning in the 21st Century Classroom by Kayla Shear. Once again, we're going to go over some of the background, summary, and takeaways of this video, and it'll be quick and easy here. So the first thing we have here is just about the speaker and what should you know about Kayla Shear. Well, the first thing is that she's a high school Spanish teacher. She's been in education for several years, and she's worked with many different types of students. One of her big things is that she encourages her students to explore the classroom topics by utilizing technology. She uses this term playtime, which allows her students to explore classroom topics, once again, using their devices in order to engage students and promote meaningful learning. One of the things that I took away, and one of the things that she said in her video, is that it's time for students to take control and facilitate how they learn. This indeed has an impact on all of our futures. So once again, one of her big things is allowing students to really take control of their learning and engaging students through technology and through their technology devices, and once again, making learning meaningful. Quick summary of this video is that right off the bat, she paints this picture of, students, when they get new things, say at Christmas time, they rip open the box and they know how to use that instantly. Whether it's an iPad, an iPhone, an iPod, they know how to use these technology devices instantaneously. They know how to start it up. They know how to download things, play games, watch videos. They know a whole bunch of different things. And the question that she raises is, why are we still teaching our students the owner manual? And what I mean by this is, why are we still teaching out of the book? Why are we still doing things in our classroom that is what we should be teaching or what we're supposed to be teaching rather than what these students truly need to know? Once again, she also talks about how we as educators need to allow our students to play, and we need to let our students tinker with technology. All right. Some of the things that she talks about and ways to bring technology in the classroom includes taking pictures, using web quests, playing educational games or competitive formats. She uses like Kahoot, Quizlets, stuff like that. And then also just integrating social media in the forms of hashtags or other forms inside the classroom, and to allow students to really use that real-world application of the concepts being used in class. And most importantly, in this video, she talks about teaching 21st century skills, really teaching the skills that are going to make our students successfully contribute to society, and making sure that we're giving them the knowledge that they need to know in order to be an adult and be working in the 21st century. Last thing here is a couple takeaways that I have from this video is that, once again, using technology is great, but we need to use technology in a way that makes things meaningful and makes learning meaningful. We shouldn't be using technology in our classrooms just to say that we're using it. It should have a purpose, it should serve a purpose, and it should, once again, reinforce instruction and also challenge students at the same time. Utilizing technology in the classroom can be very rewarding and it can be very engaging for students, but once again, there are certain parameters that you need to set in order for students to be successful on their devices. And then finally is allowing students to use what they know to play or explore classroom content or topics, allowing students to really take learning to the next level, taking what they're learning in class and applying it to that real world application, having them further explore or having a deeper understanding of what they're learning in order for that learning to be meaningful. And I just took a picture of this quote here that says, "If what we are teaching is not meaningful for our students, we are wasting our time and theirs." And this is just true to the fact we want to make things meaningful, and once again, using technology to engage and make meaningful instruction and reinforce what we are learning in the classroom.